it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and I've got a Fat Quarter Shop box today. Now, this is the Black Friday deals that I got, and I cannot wait to see what's inside. So let's find out. Now, this did have a surprise package that you could get, and grab bag, I guess, is what it says for spending a certain amount. I am going to set this off to the side, and we'll do that as a separate video so that it doesn't take up too much time with this one. All right. So first off, I got myself some new cross-stitching needles. I don't need them just yet, but I have lost one or two, so I figured it'd be good if I got a couple more. And I got this floss conditioner or thread conditioner. It is from Lori Holt. Oh, I guess it screws on. Oh, you can smell the beeswax. And it's got this cute little beeswax piece inside. And it just fits in there really nicely. And that had great reviews, so I thought this would be nice to try. My main problem is just the threads twisting up and then having to, does it twist or does it just lift off? I guess it just lifts off. I don't know why I thought it twisted. But anyways, my threads were twisting though. And I figured this would be good to try and might help with some of that. Ooh. Oh, goodness. These, I got 2 of them, and these little charm packs from Movie Star Society. Unruly Nature by Jen Hewitt. And there is a major glare on those, so let me take them out so you can see it. Oh, this fabric is so much prettier in person. It was beautiful online, but it is just something else in person. You can see it's got rose gold accents on it. And try and flip through some of these for you so you can actually see them. I saw this on there and I kind of went back and forth. I was like, I don't know. Because not all of the prints were love at first sight for me, but I really like the color palette, and some of them I did really like. So I thought I would take a gamble on it and see what I could make with it. And sometimes it's those little prints that you aren't crazy about that work so well as blenders and just fill in the gaps and really make it come together. So I wouldn't want to write off the whole grouping just for that. That's beautiful. Love that. It's the same as the first one, but different color way of it. You know, I am a sucker for metallic prints, so I do like this a lot. And again, the color palette is just so calming and beautiful. I like that one. Oops. Oh, and they've got it in gray. And I think we've got one more. Oh, I like that. That might be my favorite colorway of that one. Well, that first one's pretty too. Very nice. I like that. And of course, I got 2 because I'm charm packs, you kind of need two to make something, so unless it's a very small project. Okay, so this was not something that I originally anticipated getting, but I really kind of, since getting into cross stitching, I really kind of want to try out lots of different flosses and see what differences there are between them. And I found these intriguing. They are Aurifil flosses, and they're usually pretty pricey, but with the Black Friday sale, these were not a whole lot more than what you would pay for the DMC flosses. And I just couldn't resist. Even though I have no plans for these colors, but they're so beautiful. I know at some point in one of my projects, I'm going to need these colors. There I go, dropping things again. Okay, so next, these I actually did buy for a specific plan, a specific project. I subscribed to the Fabulous House Cross Stitch Club, and that is going to get started here in December, which I think we'll do a stitch along for. And there were a few colors of DMC that I could not get locally, so I ordered them from fatquartershop. And then there were a few different flosses from Classic Colorworks, and I think one from Weeks Dye Works. Maybe that one wasn't in stock yet. But those were, bless you, but those were required for one of the first 3 Fabulous House patterns. And I kind of bought the floss for all 3 of the first ones, that they had the colors, the necessary flosses released for. So the next thing that I got was this cross stitch stitching journal. And I already have some notebooks that I use to keep track of things, but I also don't really know what layout I would normally use for keeping track of the cross stitching. So I thought it would be helpful to start with kind of a guide, so I kind of had an idea of what things I might want to be keeping track of when I'm journaling what I've gotten done with cross stitching. And there's still a lot to go in this box. So this is one of the big things that I got this time. This was definitely a big part of my order. There's still lots of little bits, but this was definitely the most expensive thing that I got. So this is the complete bundle of the Year in the Woods set, and they are from Cottage Garden or Cottage Garden Samplings. They are the same company that does the Fabulous House designs, or that is doing the Fabulous House designs, since those aren't released yet. But I think this is from a previous year, and when I saw them, I just fell in love. So I got the complete set of these, and they are gorgeous. There's the bunny and the raccoon, a ferret, a bear, an eagle, an owl, a woodpecker, a bat, a beaver, and a reindeer. And if you notice, they all have a little house in the background. It is so adorable. I love this line, and I can't wait to stitch them all up. I'm not sure if I'm going to do them in tandem with the fabulous houses, or if I'm going to just do these at a separate time, like maybe the fabulous houses this year and then these next year, or what. I'm not sure. I guess I'm going to have to wait and see how long the house ones take me to stitch up before I decide that. So I also got some cross stitch fabric, and there's still quilty stuff coming, so hang in there if you're not here for the cross stitch stuff. I got light ash, and this is Lugana. I haven't tried stitching with Lugana yet. I've only done Ada, and I've heard such amazing things about Lugana that I really wanted to give it a try and see what I thought of it. And this one is antique white, and then this is the regular white, which, in case you are trying to decide which one you want to order, this is antique white, and this is just plain white. And they are both from Zweigart. And last but not least, I got a layer cake. And this is Art Gallery. You might hear my daughter in the background. She is back there jabbering and playing. This is the Wanderers line from Art Gallery. So we've got this one and this. Really like these. Not sure that there's any I'm not gonna really like, because this whole set just kind of went together so beautifully when I was looking at it online. I don't remember seeing anything that I didn't like in it. And of course, the color palette again is just stunning. I'm skipping over some of these here because you've already been showing you so much stuff. I feel like I don't want you to get bored. Really like that one though. Oh, that's pretty too. Is that metallic? Nope, not metallic. I don't know that any of them in this one are metallics. They sure are pretty though. This one actually has little animals on it. I don't know if you'd be able to see that better on the previous. Nope. And man, I'm skipping over a lot, I think, but oh well. It looks like there's a lot of repeats in this one. Oh, look at the little bumblebees. Yep. I think that we have probably like 4 of each print in this, which is unusual because I'm really used to layer cakes and other pre-cuts coming with maybe 2 of a print, not 4. But that's okay. I don't mind because I really like all of the ones in here. And to be quite honest, I think I'd rather have more of the same print and them all be prints that I like than to have a whole bunch of filler prints in there and only like maybe half of what's in the layer cake. All right, so that was everything that I got, and I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please remember to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.